Winter is beautiful, but it can be brutally harsh on our skin barrier. The combination of cold, wind, and dry indoor heat strips away moisture, leaving dry, sensitive skin feeling tight, flaky, and irritated. Our goal in the morning is simple: gently refresh, hydrate, and protect. Forget harsh foaming cleansers in the morning. You don't even need water if your skin is extra dry. A simple micellar water on a cotton pad is your friend. Next, hydration. A toner is unnecessary, but a barrier-repairing serum packed with ingredients like ceramides, hyaluronic acid, or colloidal oatmeal is essential. Pat a generous amount onto damp skin. Now, the crucial step, a rich moisturizer. Look for thick creams, not lotions. Ingredients like shea butter, squalane, and petrolatum derivatives help seal everything in. Apply liberally, giving special attention to the cheeks and forehead, the most exposed areas. And finally, never skip SPF. Even if it's cloudy, UV rays still penetrate, causing damage. A mineral-based SPF is often kinder to sensitive skin. That's your protective morning armor. Let's move to the evening, where we focus on deep repair. Even if you didn't wear makeup, your skin has accumulated dirt and pollution. Double cleansing is key, but make it gentle. Start with a cleansing balm or oil to dissolve impurities. Follow up with the same gentle, hydrating cleanser you might use in the morning. Now, a word on actives. When your skin is sensitive and stressed, less is more. Skip the retinol and harsh chemical exfoliants once a week if your skin is tolerating it. You could use a low-percentage lactic acid serum. Otherwise, stick to deep hydration. The evening moisturizer should be rich. Mix a few drops of a non-fragrance facial oil into your cream for an extra moisture boost. On nights when your skin feels truly raw, finish with a thin layer of an occlusive balm like petrolatum. This is often called slugging. To lock everything in overnight, treat your dry, sensitive skin with kindness this winter. Focus on moisture, barrier repair, and protection. Sweet dreams! Let me know your favorite winter products in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe.